All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We're still in this consolidation phase. We're just jammed up between the 50 and the 100. We're jammed. We're completely jammed up in here. And it's a situation where until somebody can convert either the 100-day or the 200-day to the upside or the 50-day to the downside, and then deal with the daily mid-band, it's a range within a range. So you're jammed in here, but the reality is the bulls want to convert the 200, the bears want to convert the daily mid-band. So, and as that happens, you can see the band starting to tighten again, and that'll give us the next, the next leg of the market is coming, and we're kind of in the waiting room, waiting to see who wants to kind of grab it by the horns and go with it. Hourly chart, they pushed it down, they rejected it again. Then we did a higher low in the area of 28.5. It was actually behaving pretty well last night. It was respecting VWAP. I even tried a short 32.5. I got stopped out even on it, and then they just kind of walked it up the rest of the night. So I took a look to see if they could hold VWAP and then break the lows from yesterday down at 22.25. And then, right now it's winding up. Look, weekly pivot needs a look, and I think that it's going to get that look this morning. And then the bulls are going to have to see if they're going to run out of steam again. Do they have more up top? The bears obviously have to stand in here. And if the bears do stand in here and pull it back, then they're going to have to break the hourly mid-band on the way back down if they're going to be able to get it done. So that's pretty much where we stand. So we open in about 15 minutes, and so that retest there will tell us the story. All right, everybody have a great day. We open in 12 minutes. I'm going live in 2 minutes. If you catch it live, great. If you haven't seen it by the time you see this, go back and watch the recording. It's up on Instagram on my story. We've been getting a lot of really good reviews. It's just basically me live for a few minutes, giving you guys the same talk that I give the subscribers before we head into the market day. So some good stuff there. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.